Hello gardeners! Today in this video I am going to share how to grow pumpkin cress from seeds only in 15 days. It's a very easy and fast growing process, and within 15 days you can harvest and consume its younger leaves and stems. In this video I will share the whole process of growing pumpkin cress from seed sowing to harvest. Not only pumpkin's fruits but also its younger leaves and stems, that means succulent growths, are also edible. Its younger leaves and stems contain a high amount of calcium, iron, protein and vitamin A and C, and all these elements are how necessary for our health. Most of us know that. Now let's jump into the process. First of all, seed collection. You can start with intact packet seeds, or you can collect the seeds from a pumpkin which you normally bought from markets. I collected my seeds from a pumpkin that I got from market. Through this way you can start them for free. But before collecting seeds, make sure that the seeds are hard and mature enough, because sometimes we bought unripened pumpkins. So you have to collect seeds from a ripened pumpkin, but in case of commercial packet seeds, don't you have to think about the maturity and hardness of seeds. After collecting the seeds, I washed them and now they are ready for sowing. Next is pot preparation. Now here, as growing medium, have to take organic matter rich soil, and that will help to form bigger and juicy leaves and stems. I have taken a mixture of 30% garden soil, but you can use whatever type of soil you have, 30% sand and 40% leaf compost. Next, seed sowing. Pumpkin seeds are thick and hard, so that bury them about 1 inch deep into soil, but not more than 1 inch or less than 1 inch. If you bury seeds more than 1 inch, the seeds will rot, and if you sow seeds shallowly, then they will not germinate because of the lacking of water. I placed the seeds in soil and then covered them with 1 inch soil layer. Now in case of growing pumpkin plant as cress, don't you need bigger pots, which we normally use for growing pumpkins, beans or gourd as vegetable. You can grow them easily into 10 to 12 inches pots. Actually, the pot size depends on the amount of seeds you wanted to sow. Like if you are sowing 8 to 10 seeds, then you can easily grow them in 8 inches pots. And more than that, you have to increase the pot size. Obviously, container should have drainage hole and well drainage system. After sowing, water it thoroughly and place the pot in a moderately sunny area where it will get 2 to 3 hours of sunlight. Water it every couple of days. Keep the soil moist, not soggy or dry. Within 3 days, they will start to germinate. After 3 days, look at this. They are started to sprout. When they started to sprout, move the pot in a sunny area where it will get morning sunlight only. After 2 more days, most of the seeds are germinated, and at this stage you can harvest them as microgreens. They will be a little bit of bitter in taste, but they are full with lots of nutrients. Now from sowing, after 9 to 10 days, they will be look like this. At this stage, you can separately plant them if you wanted to grow them for their fruits. I have already uploaded video about how to and when to transplant seedlings. You can check that out if you are interested, link in the description box. After 13 days from sowing, they have pushed new growth, and at this stage you have to apply fertilizer. But here I did a silly thing, was that I sowed all the seeds that I got from pumpkin, and now seeds are getting crowded. So at first I am going to remove the smaller and weaker seedlings. That means going to thin them, and after that I will apply fertilizer. As fertilizer, here I have taken a liquid fertilizer, combination of nitrogen and phosphorus. I have used 6 to 7 granules of urea and 5 to 6 granules of TSP and mixed with 20 ml of water. But you can use organic liquid fertilizer like mustard cake solution or seaweed solution. Actually, plants absorb inorganic fertilizer as liquid form more rapidly than the organic one, and although after 5 to 6 days I will harvest them. So till then this fertilizer will stimulate the new growth a little bit. After 4 more days, look at them, how vigorous they have grown within 4 days. Now this is the 17th day from sowing and they are ready for harvest, but you can harvest them within 15 days. Now cut them above 2 inches from the base like this. You can grow them very easily within a small space and they will be edible within 15 days. Now you can roast them or you can make stew with onions and garlics. Their younger leaves and stems are so delicious. So guys, that's it. Hope you will try also. Thank you so much for watching this video and we'll see you in the next one.